Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily install new custom emoji on your iPhone or iPad. So for doing this, just open App Store and just write in search tab this app. So after you find it in search, just click on get and just use your touch ID to install this application. So now you just need to wait some time until it will successfully install it to your mobile phone. So after it will successfully download, it will install it to your mobile phone. So let's wait. So just click on it. So here you can see new different emoji. You can also try and use. So just choose what you like and just here you can also see different 3D emoji, so you can also use them. For example, we will watch this one, so we will open notes, for example, for you. I will do it and we will see how it looks. So you know, it looks really nice. So just try this application and have fun. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.